alert, publishing papers alone doesn't solve society's problems. Societal impact refers to the effects research has beyond academia on people, communities, and society as a whole. It's about real-world change, from improving public health and informing policy through to boosting economies and shifting cultural norms. This term matters because it shifts research from being purely academic to being truly relevant. Funders, policymakers, and the public increasingly want to know how research solves real problems. Whether it's a new medical treatment, a policy reform, or raising awareness of social issues, societal impact is the reason research matters outside of those journal pages. Think of it as researchers' promise to give back to society, a promise we need to keep. Imagine climate scientists publishing a study on carbon emissions. That knowledge might seem abstract until it informs new environmental laws that drive sustainable industry practices or inspires community action to reduce waste. That's societal impact, research leading to real change in how we live. So when you hear societal impact, remember it's not about academic prestige. It's about making a meaningful difference in people's lives and addressing real-world changes. If you found this helpful, please share it or go to our website for more information. I can't wait to see you again. Thanks for joining Terminology Tuesday.